Good morning, children. Today we will be doing chapter 4, interrogative sentences. Children, last class we did negative sentences. Now we have to do interrogative sentences. When we did kinds of sentences, I told you what are the interrogative sentences. It means when we have to ask something, then it is called interrogative sentence. Let's see what it says. An interrogative sentence asks a question, I told you earlier, and a question mark like this is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. Are you coming with us? We are asking somebody else. Is your father a teacher? We are again asking. Can I go with you? We are asking somebody else to get the permission. Does he have a dog? We are asking somebody about somebody else. Now, when we make the interrogative sentences, children, you will be finding the helping verb. As I told you earlier also, helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, will, shall. These all are the helping verbs, and some are modal verbs like can, couldn't, may, might, must, etc. If these verbs have been given in the sentence, you have to take out that verb in the beginning, and at the end you have to put a question mark. Like if I give you the sentence, I am writing a letter. This is a statement. If somebody is asking me, so what he will be writing? Are you? Because we can't ask the question from ourselves. Somebody will ask me, are you writing a letter? Then question mark. We can say there was a cup. There was a cup on the table. Now, if I make the negative sentence of it, how I will make? There wasn't, was there, this helping verb is here, we will take it out. Was there a cup on the table? Question mark. You are very smart. If the sentence it is, then what is the helping verb? Are. This is the helping verb and the main verb. So what I will be using? Are you very smart? Question mark. Now we take the example of any helping verb. If the sentence is, I can climb up a tree. I can climb up a tree. Now somebody will ask me, what he will say? Can you climb up a tree? This will become a question. Now children, you must have understood how we have to make or take out the helping verb or a modal verb. Now sometimes we have first form of the verb. As I told you yesterday in your negative sentences, I drive a car. I drive a car. Now children, here you see, here we have first form of the verb. In negative sentences, what I told you, if in a sentence there is a first form of the verb, what you will be taking out? What you will be taking out? Do. Do I drive a car? Do I drive a car? Or if there is first form of the verb plus s or es, like she drives a car. Now what will be the interrogative of it? Now here it is drives, so we will be using es form of do. So does, we will be using does she, and then again first form of the verb. Does she drive a car? Does she drive a car? Now children, I know कि this concept will be clear to you. You have to keep in your mind only the form of the verb. If it is first form of the verb, you will be taking out do. If it is es, then you will be taking out does. Now children, sometimes we have second form of the verb, like she drank her milk. She drank her milk. So here you see, this is the second form of the verb. So second form of the verb is here, then we will be using second form of the verb do, like did she, and now its first form do, does and did. Whenever we will be using either in negative or interrogative sentences, you will be using first form of the verb along with them. Did she drink her milk? Then again question mark. Leela slept for 2 hours. For 2 hours. If it is Leela slept for 2 hours, then how will you change it? Here it is second form of the verb, so what we will be coming out? Did Leela sleep for 2 hours? Then question mark. Now children, sometimes you will see there is has and have also as a helping verb, like I have done my work. I have done my work. So what you will be using here? What is the helping verb? This. So you will be putting it out. Have you, because you won't be asking the question from yourself, somebody will ask you. So have you done your work? This way the sentence will be made interrogative. Now children, I think you must have understood this concept, and you watch the video again and again, and then try the exercise given in your chapter, and next class we will be telling the exercise. Thank you.